Hi, it's Chris from H&I Automotive with another Motor Minute, and today I just want to quickly discuss all these young drivers going to be coming on the road here. We got school season about to start, and a lot of folks are either handing down a car to one of their kids or maybe buying a used car for them to use for the season. So one thing to keep in mind with a used car is the suspension. Worn struts and shocks do make the car a little less safe to drive. It takes a little longer to stop, and then it doesn't maneuver as well. So let's always think about putting new struts and shocks on that vehicle. Give your young driver an advantage when it comes to driving, not a disadvantage by putting them in a car that doesn't handle as well. Of course, you always want to make sure the tires and the brakes are also in great condition. If you're actually purchasing a used car, you can bring that down to H&I Automotive, and we will do a used car inspection and give you an overall report on that vehicle, so you know if there's anything that needs to be taken care of before you put that driver out on the road. So again, let's keep these young drivers safe. Let's give them the skill set they need as far as teaching them how to drive, but also giving them the equipment that's going to keep them safe also. So thanks for watching. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and of course subscribe to this channel to get more information down the road. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.